Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up volume profile on TradingView. First, open your TradingView chart. Navigate to the Indicators button at the top. In the search bar, type Volume Profile and select the Volume Profile Fixed Range option. This tool allows you to draw a specific range on your chart to analyze volume distribution within that area. It's a powerful way to identify key price levels. Once you've added the volume profile, it's time to customize it. Double-click the indicator on your chart to open its settings. Here, you can adjust the number of rows to control the detail level of the profile. You can also change the volume area percentage to highlight the most significant price zones. Don't forget to modify the colors to match your personal preferences for better visual clarity. Understanding what the volume profile shows is crucial for effective trading. High-volume nodes, often called value areas, indicate strong support or resistance levels where significant trading occurred. Conversely, low-volume nodes suggest areas of weak support or resistance, where price might move quickly. The point of control, or POC, is the single price level with the highest traded volume, acting as a key magnet for price. To maximize your analysis, try combining volume profile with other indicators like moving averages or support and resistance lines. Experiment with different time frames, from 1-minute charts to daily charts, to gain a broader perspective on market structure. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your trading day. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.